The Tesla Semi is entering a new phase with mass production and significant advancements. What was once considered a questionable competitor has now evolved into the most powerful electric truck on the market, capable of traveling 500 miles on a single charge. It accelerates faster than diesel trucks and provides impressive savings in operational costs. However, what truly stands out is Tesla's rapid production speed, with some reports suggesting that it now takes as little as 10 minutes, or even just 5, to assemble one. The new factory is designed to produce tens of thousands of units, with rumors suggesting that it could even be capable of manufacturing Tesla's autonomous van. Despite an unfortunate accident, the Semi continues to undergo intense testing to ensure it remains the top choice in the trucking sector. Since its debut, Elon Musk has consistently highlighted the advantages for those adopting the Tesla Semi, advantages that will only become clearer as large-scale production ramps up. So, what makes the Semi the most valuable truck for revolutionizing the transportation industry? Let's explore the latest updates and uncover the secrets that Elon Musk has revealed. Welcome to Tesla Car World. Despite some production delays that have resulted in limited availability, the Tesla Semi has undeniably ignited a revolution in long-haul transportation. Its exceptional performance has the potential to reshape how many perceive Class 8 trucks. For the first time, an electric semi-truck can go head-to-head with diesel trucks, something no other electric truck has been able to achieve. The Semi is powered by an 850 kilowatt-hour battery pack that consumes only 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile and has been officially tested to achieve a 500-mile range in real-world conditions. But Tesla isn't stopping here. The next version of the Semi, known as Gen 2, will feature 4,680 battery cells instead of the current 2,170 cells. These new cells will be produced at a new facility in the US, and the benefits are staggering. The 4680 battery technology not only provides 5 times the energy capacity, but also 6 times the power output, allowing the Semi to achieve even greater range without needing to add excessive battery cells. This is especially important for electric trucks, as a lighter weight means more cargo capacity. Elon Musk has emphasized the financial benefits for transport companies that choose the Tesla Semi. In his words, if you're a transport company and you're not using an electric Tesla Semi, you're just losing money. Why would you do that? Do you not like money? This isn't an exaggeration, but a simple truth. Businesses are always looking for ways to cut fuel costs, reduce maintenance expenses, and increase profits. According to Tesla, charging costs are only half of what diesel refueling costs, meaning truck owners can save up to $150,000 annually. Within just 3 years of operation, the savings are substantial. Not only does the Tesla Semi reduce costs through over-the-air software updates, but it also requires less maintenance due to its simpler design, which helps businesses minimize downtime and maximize road time. The numbers are clear. Major customers such as PepsiCo, DHL, and SAA have tested the Tesla Semi and confirmed its remarkable energy efficiency, just as Tesla promised. With an operating cost of about 30 cents per mile, a 6.5-mile trip costs roughly $3.30, while a traditional diesel truck would consume at least 1 gallon of fuel, costing around $3.66 per gallon. This makes diesel operations much more expensive. While the Tesla Semi may not come cheap, with some reports estimating that the 500-mile version could cost up to $250,000, this price tag is not entirely confirmed by Elon Musk. However, it is plausible, especially since PepsiCo reportedly used a $4.5 million subsidy to buy just 18 units. Despite this initial high price, the long-term savings from low operating costs could make it a more reasonable investment over time. Tesla's goal is to accelerate production at an extraordinary pace with the expansion of its new factory. Aiming to produce one Semi every 5 minutes may sound unbelievable, but Tesla's technological capabilities make it very achievable. Elon Musk envisions that once the factory reaches full capacity, Tesla could produce 50,000 trucks annually, which equals over 135 per day, or roughly one truck every 10 to 15 minutes if the factory runs 24/7. As Tesla continues optimizing its manufacturing processes, the goal of producing a semi every 5 minutes may not be as far off as it seems. Additionally, there are rumors that this factory will not just focus on the Tesla Semi, but could also be the site of a secret project. Longtime Tesla observer Henrik Zane has suggested that Tesla might be developing a completely new vehicle to be produced alongside the Semi. Some speculations point to the development of an autonomous 20-seater robo-van, while others mention an 8-seater vehicle Elon Musk hinted at last year. If true, this could be a passenger van similar to the Ford E-Transit, but designed for large families rather than commercial use. When it comes to the Tesla Semi, Elon Musk has consistently emphasized that mass production will ramp up once the new factory is complete. This will allow the electric truck to reach a wider customer base, expanding beyond the limited distribution to a few large companies as seen currently. Musk also teased this during the recent Q4 earnings call, hinting at exciting developments ahead. The new Tesla Semi model promises to introduce a revolutionary innovation that will deliver unmatched economic benefits to its owners, something no other electric truck on the market can provide. Specifically, Elon Musk highlighted that equipping the Tesla Semi with full self-driving (FSD) technology would offer substantial advantages, a feature that is expected to become available soon, especially as Tesla scales up production. If implemented, this would be a game-changer for the long-haul trucking industry. Full self-driving technology would alleviate the physical and mental strain of long, continuous driving, particularly on extended trips. While drivers would still be required to take control when necessary, the ability to rest during travel would help maintain their health and alertness, significantly reducing the risk of fatigue-related accidents. One of the key factors contributing to the ongoing truck driver shortage is the demanding nature of the job. Drivers often struggle to get adequate rest on long journeys, and the constant noise from traditional engines takes a toll on their health, which has led many to leave the profession. The rising number of accidents caused by drowsy drivers only highlights how difficult and dangerous the job can be. Elon Musk himself has pointed out the truck driver shortage in the U.S., calling it one of the most significant challenges facing the transportation industry. He has expressed admiration for truck drivers, recognizing that the job is not only physically demanding, but also becoming less attractive to new workers. During Tesla's Q4 earnings call, executives openly acknowledged that more drivers are exiting the industry than new ones are entering, which could create significant challenges for supply chains in the future. With the large-scale production of the Tesla Semi and the integration of full self-driving, the trucking industry is set to enter a transformative new phase. Drivers would no longer face the stress of long-haul driving, leading to a dramatic reduction in fatigue and improved working conditions. This would not only be a breakthrough for electric trucks, but also a potential solution to the labor shortage in the transportation sector. However, FSD alone isn't the only factor ensuring the safety of a Class 8 electric truck. Tesla's engineers have been rigorously testing the Semi in various environments, particularly in icy and freezing conditions, to optimize its safety. While the Tesla Semi has proven its reliability in different operational scenarios and delivered strong performance, it still faces challenges when operating in extreme cold and heavy snow. As with all electric vehicles, low temperatures can significantly affect lithium-ion batteries, reducing their range, prolonging charging times, and increasing energy consumption due to the need for cabin heating and battery warming. Despite these challenges, the Tesla Semi continues to show promise for the future of the trucking industry. The Tesla Semi's performance in extreme conditions has been a key focus for the company, particularly in cold weather environments. The drivetrain and cooling systems, if not optimized for harsh climates, can be impacted, and while the truck's heavy weight helps with traction, it can also make navigating icy roads more challenging without precise tuning of the traction control systems. This is why many electric trucks face difficulties operating on snowy and icy roads. However, Tesla has put the Semi through extensive testing over the past 5 years, including a prototype spotted returning from winter testing in Alaska, just before the company began mass production. During this period, Tesla announced it was preparing for weeks of cold weather trials to assess the truck's performance in low-traction terrains. Tesla was eager to share the results of these tests, showcasing the advantages of electric motors and advanced traction control that outperformed diesel powertrains in similar conditions. But Tesla didn't stop there. Just last week, another Tesla Semi was spotted in Alaska, seemingly undergoing further cold weather trials. Images captured during this test showed the truck's cabin almost entirely covered in snow, indicating it was tested under extremely harsh conditions. In another video, a Tesla Semi with a trailer was seen maneuvering through snowy terrain, operating smoothly. Upon closer inspection, it was noticed that the truck's roof was shorter compared to previous models. At first, this led to the assumption that it was a standard range 300-mile variant. However, Dan Priestley, a commenter under the post, clarified that the roof height is independent of the truck's range. The model in the video was a long-range Semi, with a shorter roof designed for lower-profile trailers like flatbeds, drop decks, and tankers, which offers better aerodynamics for those specific setups. This indicates that Tesla is not only enhancing the Semi's winter performance, but also fine-tuning its design to optimize aerodynamics for various trailer configurations. For those who remain doubtful about the Tesla Semi, the biggest concern has always been whether the truck can truly perform in extreme conditions. More specifically, its ability to operate in the freezing cold of Alaska serves as the ultimate test for its capabilities. While the exact results of Tesla's testing in Alaska are not publicly available, and understandably, no company would release unfavorable data, it's important not to assume the Semi will fail. Operating any electric vehicle in extreme environments, like Alaska's cold, presents unique challenges, including quicker battery depletion, increased drivetrain strain, and unpredictable weather conditions. What's truly significant is that Tesla is proactively testing and refining the Semi to ensure it isn't just an electric truck, but a viable, sustainable transportation solution that can excel even in the harshest conditions. With large-scale production ramping up at its new factory, Tesla plans to deliver a substantial number of Semis to pre-order customers and expand sales to new buyers by the end of this year. Most recently, What EV, a company specializing in electric truck services, has also noted the progress in electric trucking. What EV has entered into an agreement to purchase 40 Tesla Semis, with the first 2 already delivered and actively operating at the ports of Long Beach and Los Angeles. This marks a significant milestone in the electrification of logistics in the region. The remaining 38 units are expected to be delivered by Tesla before the end of next year to further support operations. In addition, What EV is investing in Tesla's 4th-generation charging stations at its logistics hubs. Salim Yousafzada, CEO of What EV, highlighted that the Tesla Semi is currently the only truck on the market capable of traveling 500 miles on a single charge while offering exceptional energy efficiency and rapid charging. A critical factor for the company, as What EV operates long-haul routes of up to 550 miles per day across California. With ambitious targets, What EV plans to deploy 12,000 heavy-duty electric trucks on California roads by 2030 and establish 100 charging stations by 2035. The company has already made strides by ordering 50 Volvo VNR electric trucks in 2022 and an additional 14 Nikola Tre BEVs in 2023 for operations at Long Beach Port. Currently, What EV is on track to expand its fleet to 180 electric trucks by the end of this year. However, the key to the Tesla Semi's success in the market lies in Tesla's production capacity. At the moment, all Tesla Semi models are still being assembled on a limited production line at the Gigafactory in Nevada. But Tesla is moving forward with plans to build a new factory dedicated to electric truck production, which is set to open by the end of 2025. Once operational, this facility will allow Tesla to achieve an annual production capacity of 50,000 Semis, transforming the truck from an experimental product into a groundbreaking force in long-haul trucking. While the new factory is under construction, semi-production is already ramping up, with aerial images showing significant manufacturing activity, hinting at a promising future for Tesla's most powerful electric truck. The real question now is not whether the Tesla Semi can compete with diesel trucks, but how soon it will completely replace them. Some still underestimate the Tesla Semi, mistakenly viewing it as just another electric truck that can't compete with diesel models. However, production delays are not signs of failure. They reflect a strategic approach by Tesla, allowing time to gather real-world data from drivers. This ensures that when the Tesla Semi enters mass production, it will be more than just another electric truck. It will be a true revolution in the transportation industry. Dismissing the Tesla Semi's advantages over diesel trucks or other electric models would be a major oversight. The numbers speak for themselves. In business, the numbers truly matter. With lower operating costs, reduced maintenance, and significant economic benefits, the Tesla Semi represents not just the future of transportation, but also the smartest investment for any business. In summary, the Tesla Semi is more than just an electric truck. It's a giant leap forward in the heavy-duty transport industry, offering remarkable economic, technological, and environmental advantages. One of the most compelling reasons for investing in the Tesla Semi is its cost savings. While the initial purchase price may be higher than that of a diesel truck, its significantly lower operating costs can save businesses hundreds of thousands of dollars each year, thanks to superior energy efficiency and minimal maintenance needs. This presents a clear and undeniable advantage for transportation companies, where every mile has a direct impact on profitability. Moreover, the impressive range of the Tesla Semi makes it an even more attractive option for long-haul operations. The Tesla Semi stands out as a dependable option for long-haul operations, capable of covering up to 500 miles on a full charge. Real-world demonstrations have shown that it can travel over 1,000 miles per day with just 2 recharges, effectively addressing the demands of continuous freight transport. This ability not only enhances operational efficiency, but also eliminates one of the major concerns of electric vehicles: charging time. Another major benefit of the Tesla Semi is the superior driving experience it offers. Powered by a robust tri-motor system, the truck accelerates swiftly even under heavy loads, making it easier to tackle challenging routes. Additionally, the truck is equipped with advanced safety features like anti-rollover protection, boosting driver confidence and reducing accident risks, all while improving overall working conditions for truckers, a vital aspect of the transportation industry.